So, as an example, if you have scar tissue from an operation, well, scar tissue is density, and it traps illusion. So you could use the roller and just roll over it. Whether the scar clears or not is not that relevant, but what will happen is it's the blockage that it's creating will dissolve. And then you're in fluidity again. So you could use it for all kinds of things.
It's also one time you may want to use the mushroom around the eyes. The next time maybe you want to do the roller. It is all about self-discovery, which is like which music, which elixirs you want to play with today. And this is the exploration also of the inner child. So it is like the perfect playground for self-exploration, self-discovery, self-regeneration.